Psalm number 23 verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. Whoever believes in him shall. Whoever leads me back of the righteousness for his name's sake. Well, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. You are with me. And you stop. You comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Tu kinh sinh ở tâm ta kiến là cái thua lawmthu cái trường ra sunlight ta mình bé moonlight ta mình bé family ta mình bé electricity mình bé unharmful microscope mình bé helpful microscope mình bé shirt mình bé tour mình bé bugs mình bé birds mình bé animals min pea, reptiles min pea, amphibians min pea, bees min, insects min pea, sea creatures min pea, rivers min pea, countries min pea, planets min pea, galaxies min pea. Suns min pea, tour min pea, sungkwa min pea,
Yes.
jilu min pea, and quiet min ti omzon min chiangje. I omda tu tulai pat sunana na ama surina ama na ti fakang.
Amen.
And up iswatia min ti pea, lo tu kushilongje. Going to a children passing on the young put them in pair, husband put them in pair, families them in pair, grandparents them in pair. Is walking many candela.
Amen. Panchata.